Get ready to discover India's finest whiskeys.
Ooh, yeah.
We're diving deep into Indian single malt whiskey,
All right.
and it seems to be taking the world by storm.
Absolutely. Yeah. It's
I
um
mean,
it's really having a moment and for good reason, I think.
yeah, for sure.
Really, really good stuff coming out of India.
Yeah, and you send over a bunch of really great articles and tasting notes.
Oh,
So
yeah,
I think we've got a lot to unpack here.
for sure.
So let's get into what makes these bottles so special.
Yeah, I mean, it's such an exciting time for whiskey in general, you know? For a long time, Scotch was kind of the only game in town,
Right.
but Indian distilleries are really changing the game.
Yeah.
They're producing some incredibly complex and nuanced whiskeys, winning pop awards, and just like really turning heads internationally.
Totally, and that's what I'm so fascinated by. We've got Amrut, Paul John, Rampur, and Indri.
Yeah, all great.
All these like big names now,
Yeah.
all these like really interesting bottles.
It's
But before we jump into the specifics,
Yeah.
can we just like do a little whiskey 101?
Sure.
What exactly is single malt whiskey?
Okay, so single malt basically means that the whiskey is made
Okay,
entirely from malted barley at a single distillery,
gotcha.
which is different from blended whiskeys, which can combine whiskeys from different distilleries
Okay,
and might use other grains as well.
interesting.
So with the single malt, you're really getting the unique style of that particular distillery
Right,
and the characteristics of their region.
that makes a lot of sense.
Yeah,
Okay, so let's talk about Amrut.
yeah.
It seems to be like a real pioneer in the Indian single malt world.
Oh, for sure. They're one of the originals.
Yeah, and one of the bottles you flagged was the Emerald Indian Single Malt Whiskey 5 Exclusive Edition.
Yes.
It retails for around 9,900%.
It's a good one.
The tasting notes mentioned like tropical fruits, nuts, and spices.
Mm-hmm.
How does that flavor profile even come about in a whiskey?
Well, it's really all about the climate in India. The heat really speeds up the maturation process.
Interesting.
So the whiskey spends less time in the barrel,
Okay.
but interacts with the wood much more intensely.
Yeah.
And that creates those richer, fruitier notes and
Yeah,
mentioned.
it's almost like they're fast forwarding the aging.
Exactly. Yeah, it's like
Right.
a concentrated burst of flavor.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
So different from like a scotch that's aged in a cooler climate.
Yeah, totally different. Yeah.
And speaking of different, this bottle actually won gold at the 2010 San Francisco World Spirits Competition.
That's a big one.
What makes that award so noteworthy?
Well, the San Francisco World Spirits Competition is kind of a big deal in the industry. It's
Okay.
one of the most respected competitions out there.
Yeah.
And for Amrut, winning gold, there was huge.
Yeah.
It really put Indian single malt on the map.
Wow.
You know, it showed the world that these whiskeys could compete with the very best
That's amazing.
and win.
It's a real game changer.
Yeah.
Now, the next bottle on our list is the Paul John Single Malt Messina,
Ah, another great one.
priced at $22,000.
It's a bit of a splurge, but worth it.
Yeah. This one boasts a more like balanced profile.
Yeah,
It's got sweet and spicy notes, citrus, and oak.
really well-rounded.
But the really interesting thing here is that it was named Best Single Malt at the 2019 World Whiskeys Awards.
I know, right?
What does that tell us about Paul John and Indian whiskey in general?
Well, this is where it gets really interesting, right? The World Whiskeys Awards is another top competition.
Okay.
I mean, to be named Best Single Malt, it means Paul John beat out whiskeys from all over the world,
Wow.
including the best of Scotland, you know?
Really?
And it was a blind tasting.
Wow.
So the judges had no idea what they were drinking.
That's incredible.
It's all about the quality and craftsmanship.
It makes you understand why you're so excited about this whole category.
Well, I know. It's just so exciting to see.
Okay, moving on, we've got Rampur Indian Single Malt,
Oh, yeah. Rampur,
priced at $12,500.
another good price point.
Smooth, creamy texture, caramel, dried fruit, and subtle spice notes.
Yeah, they're known for that smooth finish.
The notes mention Rampur is known for pushing boundaries in whiskey making.
Yeah, they're really innovative.
What are they doing to?
Well, they experiment a lot with cask finishing.
Huh?
So they use a variety of barrels from sherry barrels
Oh, wow.
to give the whiskey unique flavors.
Okay.
And they're also playing around with different types of barley.
Oh, interesting.
So they're really adding another layer of complexity.
It's like they're blending all these factors
Yeah.
to create truly unique whiskey.
Yeah.
That's clearly working because they will award it Best Indian Whiskey at the 2020 World Whisky Awards.
Nothing.
Seems like the distilleries are racking up goals now, right?
Definitely on a roll.
Yeah, it's great. Okay, we have one more bottle to cover. Single Malt House of Green Tea.
Love it. Great.
This one is a bit unique. It's wrapped with three different types of malt, giving you hints of green apple, vanilla, spice.
Green apples.
It's snagged gold. National wine and spirit.
That's a tough.
Tell us about that.
Well, the IWSC is a running for over 50 years, and the judging is super fair.
Oh,
For them, they're really biased professionals.
I'm actually Indian single malt. So got some notes here on other individual input about malt. Typically, acid strength, we did single malt.
Yeah,
It seems like they really run the gamut of flavor profile.
they're not afraid to experiment. Yeah, that's what I love about it. Slow down. And still raising under. Exploring and pushing boundaries. There really is something where
I feel like it's particularly ready to true exceptionalism. You were doing Andrew and Paul, innovative, Vancouver, Indian single. So as you explore these whiskeys, think about what makes them so special.